welcome back to Vlogmas. So I am just here. I need to hurry up, but I just quickly wanted to eat a snack before I head off. I would have to say like an hour and something away from my parents' house is these really nice Christmas lights at this place called Belton House. It's called Christmas at Belton. Last year I went to Christmas at Kew. I actually vlogged it, never uploaded it, but I actually vlogged it. I'm quickly just eating a pineapple bun. Last year I went to Christmas at Kew and I went to Kew Gardens and it looked so nice. It was so beautiful. It was a good time. It was a good time. And last year was a whole different year. These lights going on where it looks very, because I looked at pictures and it looks very similar to last year when I went to Christmas at Kew. I want to see how it compares because Kew Gardens it is gorgeous. As you can see, it's very, very dark. It actually only is I need to leave at 4:30. It is 4:25. It's pretty much dark. So yeah, we're gonna head there. It's gonna take an hour to get there and I'm gonna go straight after I eat this. Okay, so we just arrived. We just came through and it's like kind of drizzling with rain. Like, yeah. And I got white shoes on. I was myself to wear white shoes on the day where it's like muddy and rainy. Anyways, let's go in. So we just come into the trail and look how peaceful. There's nobody here, which is surprising. Okay, let's go. There's people that come. I am back from a long drive, an hour drive from Belton, which is in like Lincolnshire, and Lincolnshire is just, I don't know, to be honest, I don't really know my maps. I think it's somewhere an hour up north from my parents. I'm visiting my parents for the weekend. Anyways, I am back. Overall, Christmas at Belton was okay. It was okay. I think I say it is okay. I mean, it looks good. Everything is nice and all of that stuff. However, I think it is because last year I went to Christmas at Kew, which was at Kew Gardens, and Kew Gardens was so good. Like the trail when you're going through everywhere, you're like, wow, this looks nice. Everything was so like, ooh. But I felt like because yesterday I felt like because last year I went to Christmas at Kew, because it was just so big and like whoa, that this one didn't seem as like whoa, because I think the main thing that people see in these like Christmas light places, they have quite a few places around England where they do these kind of Christmas lights, and they will have kind of, or not the same setup, but they have very, very similar setups. And so I did see a lot of similarities with like Christmas at Kew. They have one in like, I think like Oxford, and I don't know what else they got some in other places essentially, and they always have this arch, and this arch just looks like, it looks nice. Like the Christmas at Kew one, however, the arch was just huge. Yeah, and I think it's because it's the whole like first time I was seeing all of this, because I don't usually go to Christmas lights. I'm not like a Christmas lights kind of girl. Overall, it was really nice. It was really cool. Hope you guys enjoyed the short b-roll. Sorry I didn't really record during then. So I just wanted to open this package, so because sometimes I just get stuff sent to my parents' house because I forget to change my address. I'm pretty sure this package is from work. They're sending like everyone this winter pack, which I've pretty much seen because I saw it in so many people's stories and people were just posting it on like work chats and stuff. I can't open this, but I thought I would just open it on camera. Look at this. Look at the packaging in this. Da-da! Oh, I opened it upside down.
Okay.
Oh,
But
yeah.
then when
It
you-
makes sense because my delivery just
Yeah.
Oh, okay, look. This is how it's meant to open.
Yeah.
Look at this.
Damn. Look at that card.
Christmas, my first Christmas card. How sad is this? My first Christmas card. But look, my mask. Represent. Chili's water bottle, but branded to. I didn't know Chili's did personalized water bottles. Also got this hoodie, which they already gave us a hoodie. You know what I liked about this was that they have a double pocket inside. Like you could put pocket. You could put pocket. You could put stuff in the hoodie the hoodie pocket. There's pocket in the pocket.
But if
Does
the
sound-
pocket in the pocket is it like just
I could
a
put,
pocket
like-
in the pocket that was in the pocket because of the pocket.
So that's everything I got from there. You know what I want to do? I want to eat. And I want to continue watching the course. So before we had our dinner, early dinner, because we went off to, what's it called? Christmas at Belton. Before we ate, we started watching the course, and it was good. I don't know. Koreans have like really good films. I've been wanting to watch it, but I hadn't seen it on Netflix, and I knew it was on Netflix, and I was just thinking to myself, oh yeah, maybe it's just on the American Netflix and it just hasn't popped up on mine yet, and I saw it on mine today. So we started watching it. We watched halfway, and so far so good. So I just want to grab some food. I just want to put it on the TV. And the thing about being back home is that we don't have to watch TV on a little computer screen. My dad loves watching TV, so there's like a 75-inch TV, and versus like a little computer screen, I mean, that's good. Okay, just got changed, got some food. So we got some red beans. So got some red bean soup. My mum always makes it when me and Baz come over because we love it. Got a piece of pineapple bun because it's all that's left of it. Got some leftover sesame prawn on toast. Got some tea. Gonna watch the call and call it a night. That's enough for me. Anyways, see you guys tomorrow.